Rishika, welcome to my channel. So what's the story? So few people know that my brothers and sisters on Rakhi, they gave me a present and they gave me a microphone kit, and I really loved it actually. I was really very happy and I was really very surprised that they thought so much of me, and they knew, because they knew that how much YouTube has become important to me, and because of that they gave me a microphone kit. And I'm not one to complain, I really loved that gift, but it was a podcasting microphone kit. Like what they gave me was kind of a little too big for me, because it was a podcasting microphone kit and it was the whole setup for it was a whole desktop setup. It was more for podcasting than it was for vlogging. And since I am not going to stay in India and I'm going to go to Ukraine, I told them that I didn't want to hurt their feelings. At first I was very confused that should I tell them that this is something that which I won't be able to use much. And also the microphone, I couldn't use that microphone much because I had to attach it to a laptop, and if I was going to use that mic, I will have to separately record audio and separately record the video, and then again I will have to combine both of them. So I was kind of confused, should I tell them or should I not? But after some time I realized that since they have spent so much money on it, I should better tell them that I won't be able to use them. I told them that please don't get hurt. I didn't mean to be mean, but it is just that I wanted to tell you the truth. It is just that I really want to tell you that since you have spent so much money, can we in a way replace it and get something that I will be able to use? And first they were reluctant and they said that you should try and use that, and they tried to understand me, and I'm really very happy that they understood me and they didn't feel like I haven't accepted their gift properly. They bought it from Amazon, and on that product it did not have a refund policy, but it had a replacement policy. I didn't know what else to do because I didn't want that particular setup. I was happy with the microphone, but I didn't like the particular setup. So I told, okay, it's okay, I will try to use it. And after I asked my sister if she can contact the Amazon, and if in any way we can get a refund and order something else. So they at Amazon they told us that they have a replacement policy and not refund. So what they told us to do is that we should apply for the first replacement. When the second replacement comes, so you should apply again for the replacement. So you will apply for replacement twice, and then only they will allow you for refund, and after refund you can just order a new product. So they told the customer care that it was a gift for me and I didn't like that particular setup, I would like to order something else. So Amazon was so helpful, and I was really surprised that they actually refunded all the money completely, the price of the first product, and I was shocked that they didn't charge us any fee. So I was very happy about it. I would say Amazon is definitely amazing. If you want to buy something, definitely buy it from Amazon. And this one again is from Amazon, and this just came today. I haven't opened it yet. So Rakhi was on 3rd of August and I got my gift on 3rd of August. And it's 21st today. It took us so many days to first place a replacement for the second product, and then again when the second product come, we had to again replace it, and then again put a when the refund came, after that we apply for the second product, which is here, and I'm really very happy. So it just came today. We ordered this on 15th of August and it came today. It took so much time because it came all the way from Mumbai. So I am finally very happy. I was very anxious. I will just open it now and I will see how it is. I am hoping I don't have to refund it. So it is, the previous one was very big. I will show you a picture. This one is quite small, and my brothers and sisters, when they saw it right now, they were just laughing at me. They were saying that you just wasted a lot of money. We gave you such a nice product and you have bought such a ridiculous product. And obviously I understand their feelings. I just wanted that since they have spent so much money, I really wanted something that I would be able to use. I'm really glad that they understood me. They were just waiting for me to open it and show it to them, but I told them that I will be doing the video, so please wait and have patience. And I was also editing my previous video for the second year. I haven't edited it in 2 days. I was so lazy, I didn't want to edit that one video because I was so excited about this product. If I went about opening this product, I'm going to use it and I won't be able to complete that video, so I finished it as soon as possible. so that I can make this video now. Let's begin. I'm excited. God. Oh my god. See what it's written? Multi-purpose. I'm sorry, I cannot read. Multi-purpose vlog microphone. Oh my god. The other one had like podcasting microphone, and this is vlog one. Oh my god. I'm so happy they have something else. Oh, my invoice. Mauno company, and the previous one which my brothers and sisters gave me, that was also from Mauno. I was very confused between Mauno one and the Boyo microphone kit, but I obviously use my phone for recording, so that's why it has, like, it's a kit, meaning it has not just the microphone, but it also has a like phone holder and also a tripod stand. So I really had eyes on this one for quite some time. Even before my brothers and sisters had ordered a microphone kit, I was looking at this one for quite some time because it has all three together for the same company. Otherwise, I was confused between this one and Boyo one. Boyo one microphone is also very good. It's like cheap alternative. So the Boyo microphone has, like, you get the microphone and then you have to buy, because I'm using my phone. So if I was to buy Boyo one, I'll have to separately buy the phone holder and also the tripod stand. So I was like inclined toward this one because it had all three in one. So that's why I ordered this one. And obviously I'm not a tech specialist, but I know that you just have to you can directly plug it into your camera and you can use this one. And I don't know what else. I'll just open this one. And like in that other one also you had a feedback card, and then you have a manual. I am obviously fond of manuals. I read them all the time. That's a time pass kind of thing. So it has this. So what the package contains is a shotgun microphone. So you will see it has. So what the contents of the package are: shotgun microphone with holder. This is the shotgun microphone with a holder, and it has this foam. So this is the actual mic, and this is a noise cancellation kind of thing. Obviously, I'm not a specialist. I just learned this from a lot of videos. So this is the microphone, and then you have this tripod stand. And one of the best things about this is that it's all metal, so it will be more durable, and I am going to be so much happier. And it has this screw, you can use it. It has a like ball kind of thing, so it can go into any direction you want. So mini desktop tripod, mobile phone holder. This is the mobile phone holder with like adjustable lens, so you can adjust your length, and it has like soft cushioning over here, so you can put your camera and you can put your phone and not worry about having scratches. And it has this thing where like if you are like pulling it, it's going to go inside by itself, so it will hold your phone very firmly. And you have a TRRS. So since I was watching so many videos, I learned for like we need this 3-ring audio cable so that it will work with our phone. It's compatible with our phone. Yeah, that's the right one. We need these 2 rings for DSLR. So if I will plug this with this, I can use it with my DSLR. I can use it with the camera, and if I use it directly, then it is for my phone. So that's a good thing. This is the good thing about Boyo microphones and Mauno. I always pronounce it wrong. Mauno microphones, that they always provide you with a TRRS to TRS adapter. Otherwise, I was also looking for Rode microphone, but what happens in that is that they only give you this TRS cable, and then you have to separately buy the TRS to TRRS. Like, in order to make it, the Rode shotgun microphone is more compatible with DSLR. So if you want to use it with, you have to buy the adapter separately. So that's why I didn't order that one, and I was not even able to find a separate like adapter right now in this situation. So this was my Like, this was my choice to order this one, and I am really very happy with this one. Oh my god, what else it has? And you have to, so I will just show you, like, obviously since I'm using the phone, I won't be able to show you right now how it looks, but I will take a photo, or I will just bring another camera. Just wait. So I'm back. I brought another phone. So what we have to do is, it says that if you want to work with this, you'll have to install a separate app. I know that it's open camera, so I will install it later. I'm just going to show you. And if you want, you can connect it with an computer also directly. It says in notes, since of default camera app, an Android OS cannot select external mic for record audio source for video. Please download Open Camera from Google Play Store when use CM10 microphone on Android phone for video shoot and setting it audio source to external mic. Okay. So this is all. And I'm just going to show you how it looks. So first I'm going to put this one right over here. It's a little tight, but I guess it's okay. Yay. And I'm like keeping it away from the power button so I can switch on the phone if I want to from here. Then there's a screw here, over here. So you can just, or you can put the stand first, or you can put the holder first and then put the camera. Okay. And for microphone, we need to put this over here. Both are same, I guess, yes. So I'm putting one over here. Oh, it is also adjustable. So I'm putting it over here. And this one, it has this kind of thing. Like, just slide it in, and you have to tighten the screw. And this is, I guess, the setup. Oh my god, look at this. And you have to put it right over here. This easily slides into it, so. Yeah. Okay, this is it. Do you see that? Oh my god, my phone is going to look so amazing. Oh my god. It has this tripod kind of thing, so I'm going to use it the best. Oh my god. I really love it. Well, thank you so much for watching this video and being a part of my happiness. And I was really very glad that I'm able to share it with you guys. And I'm going to show this now to my brothers and sisters. I'm going to see their expression. I hope they are happy too. And thank you again. Subscribe to my channel if you like my videos. I'm a medical student. If you do not know, well, obviously I forgot about my introduction. I'm a medical student. I'm not a tech specialist. I'm not someone who's into these things. It is just something that since I've started making YouTube videos, my audio quality was not so good in my videos, and that is why this was something that I really had to invest in, and I'm so glad that I got it as a gift from my brothers and sisters. Subscribe to my channel, and I will leave the link of the other unboxing I did. It is of the Pepleden notes. Like my videos, playlist if you want to watch another videos of mine. If you want to watch something related to studies, I will leave the link of them down in the description box below. And I will, like, if you want to buy this setup, it cost me around, like, I am not sure, it cost me around 4,600 rupees. And the previous one which my brother sisters gave me, it was around like 6,000 something. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you in another video of mine. Bye. Have a good day.